Employee Notes allows you to store information specific to an employee in their employee file. Notes can be added by company admins, supervisors, and employees. To view notes, go to Employee, HR, Notes. If you're an employee, the notes will appear in the menu selection labeled as Notes. To find notes, you can use the filters on this page. Entering a from and a to date allows you to view notes added within that time frame. The source filter allows you to view notes that have been categorized as one source listed here. If notes were tagged, you can filter those notes by selecting the tag in the tag filter. If no filters are applied, the screen will show all notes. By default, notes are private and shared with all company administrators at your company. Only the person who enters the note can edit the note. This includes archiving, adding attachments, assigning tags, and sharing the note. To share the note you added, click on the ellipsis icon in the upper right-hand corner of the note and select Share. There are 3 options to choose from. Private will share the note only with company administrators. The public option will share the note with all users that have access to this employee, including the employee themselves. Restricted access will share the note with specific users that have access to this employee. This option is ideal if you wish to share the note with a supervisor but not the employee. To edit, archive, or add the attachment or assign a tag to a note, click on the ellipsis icon in the upper right-hand corner of the note and make the appropriate selection. Any changes to the note are logged in the activity feed of the note. To view the activity of the note, click on the arrow icon. If attachments were added to the note, they can be viewed also by clicking on the arrow icon. They can be viewed by going to Employee HR Attachments as well. To add a note, click on the Add Note button in the upper right-hand corner. Select the source of the note, then add the note in the description box and click Save. Once a note is added, then you can edit the note, archive the note, add attachments, assign any tags, or share the note. The View History button in the upper right-hand corner allows you to view any archived notes.